Hello everybody, this is Tanya Atomic and this is my Ipsy unboxing for June. Two things. This is going to be a close-up unboxing where you can really see the product. And the other thing is it is super, super hot. That's not the other thing. The other thing is, well, it is super, super hot. And that's why I'm doing this film this way, because it is too dang hot for me to be upstairs filming in my office. I don't know if you guys know this, but we're in Seattle experiencing a heat wave right now. And people in Seattle can't handle temperatures over 90 degrees. Original people who were born here cannot handle temperatures over 90 degrees. We start to die. We start to melt. And it's been, I think yesterday was 111. The day before it was 106. Today we're cooler, but it is still hot upstairs. So I'm just going to start unboxing this so you're not super bored just listening to me. Oh, this is cute. Oh, the other thing was that it's a little bit late. I got all my boxes like late this month. I don't know why. So I apologize for that. But here is June box bag. This is really cute. It looks like little stickers. They're just painted on. Let me open it here. Let me see if there's anything inside. There's something inside. What is it? What is in here? It is scalp massaging serum. Ooh, by Eden Body Works. So this is, it looks like a full size here. It says a vitamin blend of A, C, D, and E, so no B. Apply to the scalp and massage. Do not rinse. Whoa, but it contains mineral oil, dyes, and is cruelty-free. I like the cruelty-free part. I'll try it. Should I report back? When I do the empties, I'll report back. The next thing in here is Professional Super Setter. I don't know why I said that way. Super Setter. Long-lasting makeup setting spray. The Professional is, Benefit. I don't think Benefit is cruelty-free, but maybe they are now. There's some kind of thing, but I don't think it's a cruelty-free. But anyway, since I got it in a box, I'll use it. I like Benefit's products, but I don't typically buy from Benefit because I don't think they're cruelty-free. And this is what it looks like. So it looks like a deluxe sample there. So I'll get to see how good I like it, and then I'll never buy it. Then the next, this is the Ipsy Do You. Interesting. That's a little risque. Bold moves only. Whoa. I think that's a Pride reference. So those are two things. There's other things in here. Free palette. Give your friends a free palette. Some kind of thing. I think if you start them up on Ipsy. Catherine Maladrino. Lux Divines. Venice. I am all over the place today. Okay. Parfum. So that's some stinky stuff here. So I'm gonna set you down for just a moment because I want to open this and show you what it looks like. This is a deluxe, very deluxe sample size. I've had perfume in sizes like this, and they do last a while, and I really like them. I get a chance to really understand how I feel. Context Nude Balm. I'm thinking that it's lip balm, but let me see. Maybe it depends on the context. Oh my god, I'm all over the place. How can you guys even handle this? Okay. Meet your wear everywhere. Lip balm. Yes. Okay. And then the last thing is Tarte. Something. Tartist. Oh, mascara. Oh, cool. I like Tarte mascara. or at least ones that I've used. Okay, so that is everything from my Ipsy. And again, I apologize for you not being able to see my face, but it is just too much. Too much. Are you guys hot? Let me know in the comments below how you are doing and if you're staying, how you're staying cool, all that stuff. Okay. Thanks for watching.